Hey folks, welcome back. I'm headed down to the end of my driveway to grab my mail. You know, I live in a community in central Wisconsin called Fond du Lac. And if you ask most people around here that know me what I do for fun, they won't mention that I have a YouTube cooking channel or that Patti and I do Patti and Rob on the runs and visit cool places. A lot of them know that we like traveling. Most people, if you ask them what I like to do for fun, will say that I like to drum, and I do like to drum. I've been fortunate to be able to, one second, I got some mail here. Mail time. I have been fortunate to make lots of really good connections in the area, and I get to play all sorts of fun gigs. You can often find me playing for a big band somewhere, or maybe a dance band, or even a symphonic band. But out of all my different drumming gigs, I enjoy doing musicals the most. I recently looked and I have over 80 productions that I've been part of. That's a lot of productions. Well, I currently happen to be in the middle of another production. This one is Mamma Mia, the big ABBA musical. So I thought it'd be fun to take you along with me to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes stuff that goes on with a musical. This is a little bit of a different video. Hope you enjoy it. Here I am at the place I'm playing at. The stage door is right off in this direction.
Hello.
Hey there. Here we are. I'm here about 45 minutes early. This is where the band is set up for the show. Here is my setup for this show. Standard 4-piece kit. Got some wind chimes here. Of course, there's lots of tambourines going on with this disco stuff of Mamma Mia and ABBA. I have 2 bell hits. So I got my Glock set up there. I get here early enough to usually catch all the vocal warm-ups and the mic checks. We're really only here this one week, Monday through Thursday, and then shows Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and again next weekend. So we run through the show every night, Monday through Thursday. Thursday we'll actually have a dress rehearsal night. There'll actually be people in these seats. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, shows every day. And the only other time we get together is last week we got together to do a sits pro where we actually ran through all the songs with the actors. And that one went really well for this one.
Tapping me on the shoulder. Of course it had to come out now. Of course it did.
Good, thank you. Sophie?
July 17th. What a night. After the show, Sandbrook Beach and ...
I think I'll head back down to my kit, check out my music a little more, and we're going to start running through the show. difficult spot right after the entr'acte.
Same place. 3, 4. So Bob, I'm on number 18, big 18.
On or off. So if you're waiting here, so if you're
like to
free,
have
your exit, the
rumbling
best
in.
place for you to go, you're
You're
all up there. No,
So for two
does that make sense
measures?
to everybody? So if your
Just-
group is here
just those
or
5
up there,
beats, so let's
go
measure
to the
80.
closest side. Take
Okay.
your time. It's not a big deal. You don't have to run to get off the stage.
In 81, I have bop, bop, bop going into 82.
They have just
And 4N, just and 4N. So from 80, 80.
the lights go out, lights go blue, everyone go there.
Yeah, we're gonna change that.
Okay.
Just give me 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
Okay.
and 1. Each one
So
increases
you're
with
in
5.
group 3?
Okay.
Crescendo.
Group 3? Okay. The first set of bows is going to be Donna, Sonia, Rosie, and Pops.
The crowd washed out our ta-da. So what the cast is going to do is they're going to get excited. They're going to come out and they're going to pretend like they're about to start. Donna's going to come over to me and say, "Can you give me a pitch?" Ta-da! So that's a little bit of an acting change.
They're just some songs in opera that you cannot possibly.
You
I love doing musicals, Mamma Mia. This is going to turn out pretty good. Best part is I get to follow all the actors out. And I can leave all my stuff set up.
And like stealth things. Now I can do that.
Well, that was it. Tomorrow, dress rehearsal time. And then we have 7 shows for a paying audience. All the actors and the musicians are heading out. And I'm about to head back to Fond du Lac. It's about 45 minutes back home. So, hey, I had a really good day today. Thanks a lot for coming along and seeing what I do on one of these gigs. Hope whatever you guys are doing today, you're also having a good day. See you next time.